Okay, side trip. You're gonna love this. So Mel's taking a trip into London to see a friend before she goes away. We're looking after their house in a week or so. So tonight I'm out riding on my own. I'm on my way to Bristol and I'm looking for a place to go wild camping. This is the best way to ride in England. Behind a big tractor. He's going about 30 kilometers an hour. He'll clear the road ahead. This looks like a nice quiet camping spot close to this field. Should be good. Just gotta wait till it gets dark and I'll set up the tent. Good morning, it's 7 o'clock. There's all these sheep outside my tent, just on the other side of the fence. It's time to get up. I need some breakfast and some coffee. Let's go. I'm tired of riding today. It's a beautiful ride along this old trail. It's an old railway trail. And I'll drop the phone. There's heaps of wildlife. I'm tired of riding. Ready to camp out again. I'd camp on this old train car, but there's no floor. I'm gonna keep going. So I made it all the way to Radstock. Further than I thought I would come today. From here on out, it's warning me of steep gradients. Well, I just pushed my bike up this hill, about 1 kilometer, and I found the perfect field just behind me there. Got to the top where the gate is. There's a bloke sitting there, local, just enjoying the view. Oh, so that was that. We'll continue on. That would have been a great place to camp too. Keep going down the hill. Steep gradients. It's another shooting estate. You can see the pheasant farming over there. And there's loads of pheasants in this field. It's just been cut. I think I might sleep just here. Hopefully there's no shooting. Also feels like it's about to rain. The road's just behind me.
Just looping ourselves round and round.
Well, that would have been super nice to camp here. But now the estate owners come with dogs, and I think we just now go find somewhere else to camp. It's raining. Let me get this packed up. Alright, it's 6:30. I'm leaving the spot that I camped at. The only place with the open gate to a field that I could find last night. And it's a field of wheat, so I was really worried that they were going to come and harvest it in the night time, because I could hear the machines working in another field just across the road here. So I was kind of sleeping with one eye open till about midnight, and then it got quiet, so good couple of hours sleep. We'll continue on to Bath and Bristol today. This must be the house of the person's land I camped on last night. I'm sure they won't mind. Oh, perfect. Yes, please. Alright, let's make some food. I'll show you what I've got left in the way of food. Huh. And now it looks like I'm about to enter this huge tunnel. It's pretty dark in there. Night mode. Let's go. That was very long and very, very cold. When you come out on the other side, it's like you just stepped into a tropical hothouse. There you go, that was the Coombe Down Tunnel. Let's continue the journey. Welcome to Bath. I don't think I'm on the 24 anymore. I think it might have finished. I need to find somewhere to get Wi-Fi so I can get some maps. Today we cycle in the rain. Here's my bike in rain mode. Nice raincoat on the front. And then on my bag here I've just got a plastic bag. Keep everything dry. Oh yeah, my sleeping bag that's inside a plastic shopping bag. All good. Welcome in Bath. Lovely little town packed of tourists. Well, that was Bath. Very nice. Lots of shops, a nice river, heaps of tourists. I'm heading today to Bristol along the towpath here on the canal. Just been swimming here in the river near Bristol. It's idyllic and very refreshing. I needed a wash actually. I think I'm going to leave Bristol now. It's a lovely town. So this might be my last wild camping of the trip, and I think I found a perfect spot. I'm going to have a look in this field and see if I can pitch up right now. I'm real tired. I've cycled out of Bristol and I'm super tired. I'm ready for a nap. Unless they're coming to pick these bales up bright and early, I think this might be the spot. Let's pitch up. It's 7 o'clock. It's time to get up. Quick update, just arrived in London, Waterloo station, heading downtown to meet some friends, have a picnic, and relax for a little bit before we take another ride.